how to spin in Fire Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start spinning in the game. First of all, open the application. So after you do a daily login, this interface will pop up. So this is the place where you can spin and earn a lot of money on a daily basis. So first of all, simply tap on the spin button on the middle. So the highest price is 200,000. So you can spin it and even win it. So let's see what's in my case. So as you can see, I have collected 80,000. So it's a huge amount. Here on the bottom, simply tap on collect and the amount has been collected. Now you can use this coin or money in different games that are available here. So it is better you use it in different multiplayer games so that you can increase your XP and increase your level too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.